everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So glad to have you. All right, so what day is it today? What box did I get? What bag did I get? Yes, ma'am. I got this beautiful baby right here. I'm so glad to see you, BOXY. Did you guys get your BOXY yet this month? What did you think about it? If you have gotten it, I haven't even opened mine yet. Mine is sealed. I'm actually opening it right now. I wanted to wait until I got in here with you guys. So BOXY 1 is BOXY 1. BOXY is $21 a month plus tax now. It's shipped out free to you. So I guess you don't pay tax in all states, but some states you do. But it is $21 a month. And you also have the option every 3 months to upgrade to BOXY Luxe for an additional $28.99, bringing your total to $49.99. So we're going to go ahead, get right on into it, because I'm pumped up today. Pumped up. I get this way when I get my subscription boxes. I feel like it's like a holiday, and I'm excited, and I'm like, heck yes. So here we go. Let's get into this little baby right here. As always, you'll see where it always says Hello Charmer. Hope I can show you that, because I'm not always great about doing that. Now on the top here it tells you BOXY and their social media. All right, so right off the top I see the BOXY and Chill card. How cute. How cute is that? I actually like that. That looks like uplifting and like chill and relax. I like it. All right, so here is my box. Woohoo. All right, so I'm just going to dive right on in. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're doing good. All right, I've got the Briogeo, and it's the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So it says, effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray infused with the signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. Do you see this frizz? Do you see this today? So, girl, you better work for me. I've tried some of the Briogeo products before, and I really liked it, so I think that'll be just fine. And that retails for $12, and it is 2 ounces. Not bad. I don't want to complain. You guys know I don't like to complain on this channel. But this is not a full size. This is a travel size. This is not a full size. Just saying. The next thing that I got is the $1 Billion Brows. It's a universal brow pencil. It has the spoolie and all that stuff. So hopefully this will work for my brows. Because, it's got to, right? So there is that. What that looks like. And it says, let me find it here. It says the Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil, specially and carefully formulated to work effectively, or not effectively, it doesn't even say effectively, it says perfectly. To work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. The self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. And it's $18. All right, I see you. I see you, BOXY. All right, the next thing that I got, ooh, that is a color and a half right there. I got the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. I have not, I don't think I have used an Ofra lip color. Whew, look at that. Yep, I'll be using that. Look how pretty that is. Yes, my color, because I love me a deep, dark berry lip. And it says, this long-lasting liquid lipstick, this matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in the lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear infused with vitamin A and antioxidants. Your lips will look and feel healthy all day. And this retails for $20. All right. I am, so far, so good with me. You know what? BoxyCharm, it hardly ever lets me down. I'm hardly ever disappointed by BoxyCharm. There are some times where I don't love every single product, but mostly I like almost everything. Then we got Tatcha. I absolutely am a huge fan of Tatcha. I love their skincare. We got 2 of the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Let me tell you a little bit about these. All right, so the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essentials fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is, excuse me for my, first of all, I'm going to turn this up the right way. My breathing is not the best today. The pollen count here is really, really high in Florida, so I'm suffering with my asthma today. Anyway, each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin's health and radiance. And these are $12 a piece, so 24 bucks right here, guys. Right? Yes! Love Tatcha. Love Tatcha. Love them, love them. All right, and finally, the last thing that I see, we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Eyeshadow Palette. That's what the box looks like. Ooh, I'm excited. I love Tarte shadows. I love eyeshadows. Oh, okay. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that stunning little package. Get her opened up here. Oh, goodness. There went the little film. That is pretty. Wow. This is probably the highlighter palette. Oh my gosh. Right up my alley. So I am a happy mama. Yes, I am. And it says, limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. Dive into this vegan, crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. I can't even say it trying to go slow. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and perfect the lids, and this retails for $36. All right, guys, so that was what was in my BoxyCharm. I am so excited. Can you tell? Did you guys get your BoxyCharm yet? Are you happy with what you got? Are you excited? Are you anxiously waiting it still? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you like this video, please give me a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, share this with your friends. Let them know that I'd like to grow. So thank you guys so much. You guys stay beautiful as always and have a great Friday.